All right, guys, today's video is one that we filmed a couple of months ago. This is a RzR recovery. Call came in right in the middle of the day. Some friends of ours had an accident, and so we set out to give them a hand. So I'll give you a little bit of a rundown of the video, but first cue that intro. Hey, thanks for watching our video today. This video takes place on the Deer Creek Trail, which is a Paiute Trail side trail. It runs between Hoover's Resort and Mount Kimberly, really. It runs up the side of Mount Kimberly along a tributary of the Sevier River, up from the Hoover's Resort, or that parking area right across Highway 89 from the Hoover's Resort, up to those old mines and those old ghost towns. If you haven't been to the Marysville area or ridden the Paiute Trail, you really need to come. There's some super cool things up there. Anyways, in today's video, you'll see that on our way up, this is a very rough and narrow and tight trail, but we took the Jeep. We didn't dare take our trailer to go pull them down. So when we found them, we found that they had come down the mountain at a high rate of speed. They went wide. They hit a tree, a big fallen pine tree, and it destroyed the front passenger corner of this 50-inch 900 RzR 900. So we didn't have a trailer. We had to figure something out. We do carry a tow bar and a sling. The problem is by the time we got to where we were going, I couldn't find the sling, and I couldn't even find the pin for the bar. So we improvised. We still used the bar. We didn't need the trailer. We were able to get them off the mountain. On the way up, we came across a RzR that was missing a tire, and on the way back down, those guys were there, and we were able to stop, and we carry impacts and stuff, and they were able we were able to help them get their tire back on so we could clear the trail. Like I said, it was a super narrow trail. You see in the video, we were holding up traffic. All in all, this was a great day. And I think I mentioned it in the video, but around here, when somebody calls for help, we go get them, and this is just another one of those. We really appreciate you guys watching. Hope you enjoy the video today, and stay tuned for the next one. All right, well, today's recovery up Deer Creek. A broken side-by-side in the Jeep, narrow trail. Slow going. I had to air up my tires because I drove this thing in here on the highway. Now I'm wishing I hadn't. It's rough. But life in central Utah on the Paiute Trail, when a side-by-side breaks and somebody needs help, you go get them. Beautiful day. Well, that's not the one we're looking for, but they got some problems. Yeah. Ouch. So it caught that tree right there and just was done?
Yeah. Yeah, they said it was in the middle of the road, but...
I mean, you know, That's the middle of the road. All right. And it won't move, huh?
No, we got it to slide out of the way so people can get by, but yeah, we can't. It won't roll.
Maybe we ought to winch it over. And then if we just winch it off, take the tire off, that would have fit on my trailer.
Yeah, I think they were just worried about getting a trailer up.
It would have been tight, but I bet I you know what? If I'd have known it was this, I probably would have tried.
Yeah.
So let's get it pulled out here. All right, so we'll just ratchet it from here to here, put someone on the back and go for a ride.
Put the tire on the back.
I think that will, if we get somebody weighted on the back side over here.
That's really low there, and all the stuff coming up.
It's going to be a slow ride out.
Yeah.
But the other option is we back the Jeep up to it and then we run a strap to the back of the Jeep, because I've got a bar here. Man, everything is a mess. It fell apart on that road. We can strap it to that and tow it out.
That might be the better option.
I don't know. It might not be.
No?
But I think we try it both ways. Although that does come way out there.
Yeah.
So.
What are we doing?
You guys got it backed up.
Don't tip as you get down. Yeah, there's a spot you can roll back there.
Yeah.
It's so hot. I want to jump in the river.
Not all the way down? No way, dude.
There you go. Get that did, but kind of pull back.
Dad, how are they trying to
Because I'm guiding them.
Dad, they're like, they're gonna go in the river.
Yeah.
Someone push from this angle. It'll ride if it's just push. Yeah, just slow.
Or not. It might not. That's the broken piece, so I guess we're gonna see if this works. Look,
We're gonna try it.
there's a Paiute Trail tow truck hitch.
See if it works.
See if it works. All right, looks like it's working. Just gonna be a slow ride out. Get these guys back on the road.
We're gonna sit and wait for you.
There you go.
Bateman, how much do I owe you? No! No! That ain't gonna happen. That's not. No, Bateman, you better tell me now.
All right, well.
We'll do you back.
Stopped to change a tire real fast, but our toe strap's working fairly decent, although I gotta tighten it up here. All right, so the best part of going in the Jeep is I've got air conditioning, they don't. Moving along pretty good though. Carnage.
Did you get your walk?
Yeah.
Okay.
Had a long day. So, loaded on the trailer and we're ready to head home.